How you can change the incoming call interface into your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can customize your call screen into your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to scroll down until you find the option of the phone. So once you find it, so you just have to click on it and go into its notification settings. So once you go in it, you have to go in the incoming calls and you have the option between to choose between the banner and the full screen. So with the banner it only appear at the top for the incoming calls, and for full screen it show on the full screen. So what you have to do is simply choose between the banner and the full screen. So once you choose it, you have to save the changes and you are able to customize the settings of your incoming call. So this is how you can customize your call screen or change your interface into your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.